The idea that lightning doesn't strike the same place twice has been ingrained in popular culture as a testament to the unpredictable nature of lightning strikes. While this notion is often repeated, it's crucial to understand that it's more of a colloquial expression than a scientific fact. In reality, lightning can and does strike the same location repeatedly, especially if that spot possesses certain characteristics that make it more susceptible to lightning strikes. These characteristics typically include being tall, isolated, or made of conductive materials which can attract lightning bolts during electrical storms. The origin of the saying likely stems from observations of lightning behavior. Lightning tends to preferentially strike tall objects or points of high electrical conductivity, such as buildings, trees, or communication towers. Once a particular location has been struck by lightning, there may be a perception that it is less likely to be struck again, especially compared to nearby areas that have not yet been hit. This perception might arise from statistical probabilities or the belief that lightning has already had its turn at a particular spot. Furthermore, the saying may also be influenced by the fact that lightning strikes can cause damage to structures. After a building or other object has been struck by lightning, repairs or alterations may be made to mitigate future damage, thus altering the likelihood of subsequent strikes. This can create a false sense of security that the same location is now less likely to be struck again. However, it's essential to recognize that lightning remains a highly unpredictable force of nature. While certain locations may be more prone to lightning strikes due to their characteristics, there is no guarantee that lightning will adhere to any pattern or avoid striking the same place twice. Ultimately, the saying serves as a reminder of the capricious and potentially dangerous nature of lightning, emphasizing the importance of taking precautions to minimize the risks associated with electrical storms, regardless of past strike history. We hope you find it enlightening. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. And we look forward to seeing you in next video.